Have you ever had something like this in your eye? Or like this? Ew. In this video, I'm gonna tell you what are the 7 most effective ways to treat a stye. Hi guys, welcome to Chatter Docs. I'm Dr. Tor and I'm an internal medicine physician. In this channel, we're gonna talk about all sort of medical conditions in our own way. If you find it useful, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and also share our videos with your friends. Now, what is a stye? In your eyelids, especially around your eyelashes, there are lots of tiny oil glands called meibomian glands. Wow, fancy name. Now, dirt, dead skin, junk and shit can clog up these glands. When a gland is blocked, bacteria can grow in that environment fast and cause a stye. What are the symptoms of stye? Well, it's a painful bump in your eye. Wow, it rhymes. Stye is a painful bump in your eye. Stye is a painful bump in your eye. It's good that I'm not a singer. So pain and swelling, increased tear production. It can also cause soreness, itchiness, and sometimes crusting around your eyelid. Sometimes people get a bump in their eye that is not painful. That might be a chalazion. Wow, sounds more like a fancy dish name. Waiter, I'm gonna have a chalazion with a side salad. Ew. Chalazion is actually a blocked gland without an infection and it's not painful. Basically, the treatment for both is the same, but chalazion may take longer to heal. Now here are the 7 best ways to speed up healing of the stye in your eye. Number 1, warm compress. Believe it or not, the number 1 most effective way to treat a stye is not fancy medication or antibiotic or surgery or something. It's just warm compress, and it's very effective. You can basically take a cloth and put in warm water and then wrinkle it and then put it on your eye 3 to 4 times a day. And bam, it can affect like that. Make sure your cloth is wet but not dripping. Also make sure don't burn your eye with hot water. You can also use these ice packs. Put them in a microwave for like 10 seconds and then you're ready to go. Put it in your eye, make sure it's clean, and then you can microwave it again and use it again. Made in Canada. I didn't know Canada makes shit. I had a stye a couple of times and it worked nicely for me. Number 2, clean your eyelid with mild soap and water. Don't use a soap that you use to masturbate. Now you can use a tear-free baby shampoo and also a cotton swab or washcloth to gently clean your eyelid. You can do that every day until the stye is gone. Also, you can use saline solution because it's sterile, but it has salt in it and it will burn your eye. Number 3, use a warm tea bag. This is starting to sound like my grandma remedies. But tea bags, especially black tea, has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Maybe that's why the English never gets stye. You can basically grab a tea bag, mine is an English tea, put it in a cup, and pour some hot water. I'm gonna pretend this is hot water. Just let it sit. Motherfucker does not have any color.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
After you made the tea, let the tea bag steep for a couple of minutes. Make sure it's not hot, and then you can put it on your affected eye, like this. Now if you have styes in your both eyes, you can use another tea bag as well for the second eye, like this. Now then after you're done with those, you can drink your tea. Tastes like shit. Number 4, take over-the-counter pain medication. If you have a lot of pain or problems in your eye, you can take over-the-counter pain medication like Tylenol or ibuprofen. Just don't take too much. Number 5, avoid makeup. Man, it's fine if for a couple of days you're makeup free. Makeup can irritate your eye and also can spread the infection to your other eye. It also can delay the healing process. If you have any reusable brushes, make sure to wash them regularly and also discard any eye products over 3 months old. Also, if you wear contact lenses, don't use them while you have the stye. Stick with the glasses for those couple of days. Bacteria from the stye can spread to your contact lenses and spread the infection, and it can become pretty dangerous. Number 6, massage the area gently to promote the drainage. Now remember to wash your hands thoroughly before that, and also if it hurts, don't do that. Number 7, see your doctor. If your stye is not improving after a couple of days, or if it's getting bigger or more painful, or if your vision is changed, definitely see your doctor. They may start you on eye antibiotic creams or ointments like erythromycin, gentamicin, ciprofloxacin and shit. Or sometimes they may give you some steroids. In some severe cases, the stye needs to be drained surgically. Also, if you have recurring stye, see a doctor. They may be caused by an underlying condition such as conjunctivitis, cellulitis, or blepharitis. A lot of itis. Now, what are the most frequently asked questions about styes? Can I pop a stye? No, don't do that shit. Don't pop a stye. If you pop it or squeeze it, then the infection may get worse or spread to the other eye. Are styes contagious? No. Just like acne, styes are not directly contagious in a normal person-to-person interaction. Of course, if you don't do eye-to-eye kisses. How to prevent styes? Do not touch your eyes. If you want to touch your eyes, make sure your hands are clean and washed with soap and water before. Also, make sure to remove your makeup before going to sleep. Avoid sharing personal items like towel or makeup with a filthy person or someone who has a stye. How long does a stye last? Normally it lasts 3 to 4 days, but the healing process can last up to 7 to 10 days. Of course, if it takes longer than that, see your doctor. Now remember, styes are rarely a serious condition. If you have a stye in your eye, you will not die. Oh man, I'm on fire today. If you have a stye in your eye, you probably won't die. Well, everyone would die, but you won't die from the stye. So that's fine. Don't worry about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.